In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create unlimited YouTube channels for absolutely free, therefore without wasting any of your time. Let's jump to the video. So if you want to create unlimited YouTube channels, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser and go to this website called Tempmail, Tempmail. Click on this first link. Now wait for a few moments. Okay, now a temporary email address is created for you. So all you have to do is to copy it, and then using this email address, you need to create an account on Gmail. Once the account is created, you will be required to provide the verification code that will be sent to this email address. So in order to get that code, you need to come back to this page and scroll down. And here in this inbox section, you will receive the OTP code. Once you have received the code, all you have to do is to copy paste it on Gmail, and once your Gmail account is created, your YouTube channel will be created automatically. In this way, you can create unlimited YouTube channels for absolutely free. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.